Proof of law of conservation of momentum. To prove law of conservation of momentum, as I told you earlier, we should consider two objects A and B having mass ma and mb. Here ma is moving with an initial velocity ua and mb is moving with an initial velocity ub. And here ub is greater than ua. That means initial velocity of b is greater than ua. So obviously after some time they will collide each other. So when they collide each other, A will apply a force on B and B will apply force on A. Okay, so this we can consider as an isolated system because there is no external unbalanced forces applied. So during the collision, A applies a force on B and B applies a force on A. And that we can mark as FAB, that is force exerted by A on B. Then FBA, force exerted by B on A, and both are equal and opposite as per third law. Now after the collision, MA moves with a velocity VA and MB moves with a velocity VB. That means the final velocities of A and B are VA and VB. Now according to second law, the mathematical expression for second law is F is equal to m into v minus u by t. Okay, so now we can write the formula for FAB. So how will you write? FAB is equal to ma into va minus ua by t. Okay, va minus ua by t. That means force exerted by A on B is equal to ma into va minus ua by t. Likewise, FBA is equal to mb into vb minus ub by t. Okay, and based on the third law, we can write F is equal to negative F. That means they are equal and opposite. So here we can write FAB is equal to negative FBA. FAB is equal to negative FBA. So we can equate this right hand side because left hand side are equal and opposite. So right hand sides are also equal and opposite. So we can write MA into VA minus UA by T is equal to negative of MB into VB minus UB by T. Okay, and this collision happens within the time t because A applied force on B and B applies force on A on this at the same time, isn't it? So this t we can get cancelled. Okay, so then the equation become MA into VA minus UA is equal to negative MB into VB minus UB. Okay, then we can multiply this. So we will get MAVA minus MAUA is equal to negative MBVB. Here negative and negative become positive. MBUB. So we can take this negative term to this side and this negative term to that side. So this negative become positive and this negative become positive. So we can write MAVA when we take to this side plus MBVB, that is equal to, when you take to this side it will become positive, MAUA plus MBUB. So you can see that this is total final momentum. Final momentum. This is total initial momentum. Total initial momentum. So we proved that total initial momentum is equal to total final momentum, which is the law of conservation of momentum. Okay. Now I will repeat. You have to consider two objects A and B. In that having masses MA and MB. A is moving with an initial velocity UA and B is moving with an initial velocity UB, and UB is greater than UA, so that after some time they collide each other, and these two objects together consider as an isolated system. So during the collision, A will apply force on B and B will apply force on A. After the collision, A moves with a velocity VA, B moves with a velocity VB. So according to the third law of motion, the force applied by A on B is equal to force applied by B on A, but they are in opposite direction. So we can write FAB is equal to negative FBA. Then according to second law, F is equal to M into V minus U by T. So we can apply or we can write the equation for FAB and FBA. So FAB is equal to MA into VA minus UA by T. FBA is equal to MB into VB minus UB by T. So then apply in the third law. So we can write MA into VA minus UA by T is equal to negative MB into VB minus UB by T. And it happens at the same time, so T we can get cancelled. So MA into VA minus UA is equal to negative MB into VB minus UB. So multiply, then you will get MA VA minus MA UA is equal to negative MB VB plus MB UB. So negative terms we can move to bring to opposite side, so it become positive. So finally we will get MA VA plus MB VB is equal to MA UA plus MB UB. That is total final momentum is equal to total initial momentum, which is the law of conservation of momentum. Hence proved law of conservation of momentum. Okay, is it clear to you?